So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. If you can see your NVIDIA graphics card and you can see another graphics card, you want to disable the graphics card that's not the NVIDIA one. So in this case, I will be disabling the Intel one. So let's say that you did have two graphics cards. You want to find the one that's not the NVIDIA one, right click on it, and then click on disable, and then click on yes. You want to disable the other graphics card. If you only have one graphics card, which is the NVIDIA one, you want to right click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on driver, and then click on rollback driver. You want to roll back your NVIDIA driver to the latest version. See if that works. If you did roll back your driver and you're still getting the issue, then you want to update your drivers again to the latest version. There's going to be a link to the NVIDIA app down below in the description. Once we're here, click on download. You want to install this. Once you've installed the NVIDIA app, you want to go to the driver tab and then click on check for updates. You can then install the latest graphics card drivers through here. See if that works for you. For the next method, you want to right click on your desktop and then click on show more options and then click on NVIDIA control panel. If you don't have the NVIDIA control panel, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. And now once we're here, you want to go to the change resolution tab, select your monitor, make sure that you have your correct resolution and refresh rate selected. For the next method, go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Next, you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem. For the last method, take out your graphics card from your computer and then just plug it back in again. Make sure that it's seated properly.